Well, here I am with Kevin Schwantz at the 5th race of the season, and it's building up to be a fantastic end to the year. Jakub Kornfeil closing in on points leader Sturla Fagerhaug, and he's really carried his buoyant mood from the Saxon Ring here to Donington Park this weekend.
Basically, you want to not push, you want to be with the leaders, but if it comes down to the last lap, you want to concentrate on the last part of the circuit, not the beginning part.
Another racetrack, sunshine instead of rain, but Jakub Kornfeil again, a brilliant race, a clear winner. Sturla Fagerhaug, the Cup leader, crashed on lap 3, and it was a 6-man battle for second place.